Hello guys, welcome to this video where I'll be teaching you how to install Pascal programming on your local machine. So if you want to use Pascal on your local machine, which is your laptop, you would have to head over to Lazarus-IDE.org. So Lazarus is an open source software that you can use to write your Pascal codes on your laptop, and it's a cross-platform IDE. That is, you can use it on Windows, you can use it on your Mac, you can use it on your Linux devices. So with that being said, you head over to the latest downloads, which is here. Come over to stable versions. Make sure you don't download trial versions. Make sure to download the latest versions, which you have the latest updates. So I already have Pascal downloaded on my system, so I won't be downloading this again. And I'll be heading over to install Pascal with you on my system right now. So I'm using a Windows 11. Yes, I'm using a Windows 11 laptop. So some of you might be using a Linux laptop, some of you might be using a Mac OS, but it doesn't matter because Lazarus is cross-platform, so it will still work on your laptop. Okay, so you have your prompt open now. Welcome to Lazarus Software Wizard. So now we're installing our Lazarus software. Go next. Select a destination location. Yes, this is where Lazarus is going to store its source code and files on your laptop. So you can see mine is showing on the C drive, on my C drive, which is my hard drive or your hard disk. So inside the folder for Lazarus. So secondary installation allows 2 or more versions of Lazarus to be installed. So since we don't have any other Lazarus to install, we are just going to be sticking to this. So to automatically choose this for you, choose the folder it to install. Just leave it there. Then you click on next. When you click on next, you choose a full installation. Click on next. Next again. Then allow create a desktop shortcut so that you can easily access it from your desktop without having to search it all over your systems every time. Then click on install, and then you wait for it to install. Now it's going to take a while, and I don't want the video to be very long, so I'm going to be stopping the video here. And when it's installed, I'll replay it again. Okay, so our installation has finished and we're back. So now pretty much everything here is done. Just have to click on finish. So once you click on finish, time to locate it on our desktop, which is here. These are Lazarus software open source IDE for free Pascal. So you open it by double clicking on it, then wait a while. Right once, compile anywhere, free Pascal Lazarus software has been installed on your system successfully. So that is the way of installing Lazarus. You download it, you install it, you choose where to install it on your system, and when it's done installing, you open the software. Now this is our Lazarus software. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification for more content like this. Thank you.